super spacious living area, sleek, stylish, white themed kitchen. This is our master bedroom. Very beautiful. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Today we have reached Abhi Serenity Springs by Abhi Venture Developers, which is located in Nagara Main Road, Bengaluru. Well, as you know, we have come here for the sample flat tours. We shall go and dive into this super luxurious tours and have a proper tour of the entire flat. But before that, I want to give you some information about Housey. So Housey is the first real estate platform that directly connects home buyers with developers. You get bottommost price guaranteed. Not just that, I'm sure most of you must have experienced the frustration of making inquiries online only to be hit back with calls from various brokers. But at Housey, since the listings are done directly by the developers, there is no broker who comes into picture. So why wait? Go and book your dream house now with Housey. Now let's go and check out our super luxurious flat. Let's go. Okay, so now I want to give you information regarding the project overview. We are here at Abhi Serenity Springs, which is located in Hennegare Road. Well, firstly, this particular property is spread across 4 acres of land parcel consisting of 2 towers having 1 basement, ground plus 7 floors each, variants being 2 and 3 BHK respectively. Talking about the super luxurious amenities, this particular property gives us 29 plus ultra luxurious amenities, as you can see, consisting of wide range of varieties, taking from security cabin to water body along steps with Zen garden, outdoor cafe. Also, this particular ultra luxurious property has a dedicated clubhouse with ultra luxurious features and a lot of things for you to engage in activities and have fun. Well, that's about the amenities. Now let's talk about the connectivity. Well, this particular property is just 15 to 20 minutes radius with Hosur Main Road, HSR Layout, Electronic City and Bandaraghatta Main Road. Hello everyone, and now we have reached our sample flat for the tour. Let's go and check out our super luxurious 3 BHK sample flat. Well, this is the entrance of our super luxurious flat. The foyer area looks very sophisticated, stylish, leading us to this super spacious living area over here. As you can see, we have a super spacious living area which can accommodate a 6-seater sofa set, and right opposite to our sofa set we have this TV unit where you can place your TV or any other decor item according to your needs. Also, as you can see here, right in our living area we get this big windows which helps the living area get good light and ventilation. As you can see, we have a lot of area here. You can keep some decor items or you can completely customize it according to your tastes and likes. Well, as in how we move forward, we get this spacious dining area over here. As you can see, right now we have a 4-seater dining table accommodated over here, but we have enough space for even a 6-seater dining table to be accommodated over here. This is pretty spacious, a lot of space to walk around, and also the catch here is it is right next to this super luxurious and spacious balcony. Yes, so we have this big spacious balcony which oversees a beautiful nature, lush greenery, a lot of fresh air, good light, and the balcony has a lot of space for you to sit here, place chairs, or you can completely sit here and relax, which is right next to your dining area. So when you are sitting here with your family and having a good time, you even get to see good nature with good lightings and fresh air. With that, now let's go to our kitchen. So we have this super spacious, sleek, stylish, white themed kitchen. Well, this is just for the sample purpose. You can completely customize it according to your tastes and likes. Also, you can take reference from this decor, but it's completely up to you. As you can see, we have L-shaped slab in the kitchen, and we also have a lot of storage spaces above and even below. Also, we get this big, huge sink, which is for your for your utensils or vegetable wash. So you get this big sink. And moving ahead, we get this utility area, which is pretty spacious. You have a lot of space to keep your dishwashers, washing machine, and also you get an additional sink here in your utility. And also with that we get this big huge window over here which gives you good light and ventilation for your kitchen. That was our super stylish, sleek and luxurious kitchen. Now before getting into the master bedrooms and the bedrooms, let's check out our common washroom. As you can see, we have common washroom here which has anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary fittings. We have a window for good light and ventilation and a big mirror, of course. So this is our common washroom which we get with this property. Now let's go and check out our bedrooms. So let's go to room number 1. So this is our room number 1. Well, the entire house is white themed. I see a lot of white furnitures and white paint. If you like the design, you can surely, take some suggestions from here. If not, you can completely customize it according to your likes and tastes. So as you can see, we have a lot of space around the bed to walk around. You also have this space here to keep a table next to your cot. We have a big window here which will give you a good light and ventilation, which is very important for a room to be fresh and look very nice. We have this big wardrobe closet for your storage purpose, and also we have this huge mirror over here which can be designed as a dressing area, or you can just leave it like this for decor, so it's completely customizable. Well, you have a lot of space. Even this area for you to set up any workstation or study station is completely customizable. So this was our room number 1. Now let's go and check out our room number 2. Well, this is our room number 2. So if you have kids at your place, this room can be customized as kids' room. It's sweet, cozy, very spacious. Also, you have a lot of space, beside the bed for you to keep your storage items. With that, we have a big closet which looks very aesthetic and very stylish. With that, we get this table over here which can be completely customized. If you have kids, this can be their study table. If not, you can use this for any other decoration purpose or just for storing your books or placing your laptops. So this is our room number 2. Very pretty and very, very cozy. So now let's go and check out our super luxurious master bedroom. But before that, I want to show you 2 more things. First one being, you can see this wall is completely designed with mirrors, which makes it really, really premium and aesthetic. So I really like this part, especially being a girl where you want to see yourself every 2 minutes. I think this place looks really nice where the entire wall is set up as a mirror. One more thing is you get this pretty basin over here for your hand wash, or it's very beautiful with this huge mirror. So this also looks really nice and makes the house extra special. So yes, this was about the house. Now let's go and check out our master bedrooms. But before that, I want to give you some more information about Housey. So in Housey, we give you sample flat tours, actual location tours, pros and cons of a particular project, and pricing details including EMI and down payment details. After all this, if you like the project and you want to book your free site visit, all you have to do is go and click on the link given in the description box. So don't wait, go and book your free site visit now. Now let's go and check out our super luxurious master bedroom. Okay, so this is our master bedroom. Very, very beautiful. I love the way it's decorated with very light colors. It makes it really warm. That warmth and that coziness looks really nice. So this is our master bedroom. We have this small area here where you can place your TV or just keep it for your decor. With that, we have this huge closet for your storage purpose, and we have windows in the 2 ends of the room which will give you very good light and ventilation for your room. With that, we also get this huge dressing area with this really big huge mirror which makes it really aesthetic. So this can be used for your dressing area. Also, we get an attached washroom with our master bedroom which has anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary fittings. Also, we have this huge mirror and a big window for good light and ventilation. Like you can see, we have this really stylish washroom with anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary fittings, a big window for good light and ventilation. So yes guys, this was the 3 BHK sample flat tours at Abhi Serenity Springs by Abhi Ventures Developers. Well, if you love this project and you want to book your free site visit, all you have to do is go and register at thehousey.com. Also, if you want the e-brochure for this particular property, you can go and get that from the link given in the description box. Not just that, if you have any positive or negative feedback regarding the property, the location, or developers, you can drop your comments on the comment section below. Last but certainly not the least, do not forget to subscribe Housey for most informative and amazing home tours, flat tours, and villa tours. I'll see you next time. Till then, take care and goodbye.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.